Hello everyone, I am Pravesh Mohe from My Medical Studies. Today we are going to cover a topic which is about UKMLA, United Kingdom Medical Licensing Assessment. This is an examination which will be replacing PLAB in UK. So we are going to cover a few questions which will let you know better that how you have to prepare for it and what are the steps and what are the things you have to be prepared for when you sit for UKMLA. So let's begin the video. First question which we are being asked by the students is, what is UKMLA? UKMLA is an examination which will test your knowledge and skill to practice as a doctor in a United Kingdom. So despite of where you have done your MBBS from, may it be in UK or overseas, all of the students have to sit for this examination. So just like India is going to start a new pattern which will be next, so UK is starting UKMLA. So anyone and everyone who wants to practice as a doctor in United Kingdom has to give this examination. What are the two steps or two parts which you'll have to sit for if you want to qualify UKMLA? What are the two examinations which you have to give? So earlier PLAB, which used to be a very lengthy and a different process, unlikely UKMLA is just a two-step examination. So the two steps are going to be AK, which is an applied knowledge test. So this will be a computer-based examination which will be available worldwide at different centers. So any student who has done MBBS from any college across the world can do this online from the authorized examination centers. Like I said, it will be an online examination. So what will be the difference in the examination for the students who have done MBBS from UK and MBBS overseas, say India or any other country? So the UK students have to give this examination in their own campus. So the university will be taking this examination. Whereas if you are an international student, you will be giving this examination online from the authorized centers which will be selected by the Council of Medicine. The second step is going to be clinical and professional skill assessment. Like the name tells, is going to be your assessment on to how hands-on and how good you are when it comes to your clinical practice. How much knowledge do you have and how much skills do you have to handle your patients. So this is going to be an on-site examination which will be taken in Manchester. So anyone who's an international student will have to travel to Manchester to give this examination. But for the students who have studied in United Kingdom, will be giving this examination in their campus itself. So for instance, there are two students, one of them has passed their MBBS from a college in London. So this student will be giving the examination, the skill assessment examination in the campus itself, which will be organized by the official government body of the medicine in United Kingdom. If an international student sits for this examination, this student will have to travel to Manchester to have this examination and clear it to get the license to practice in United Kingdom. There is a question which a lot of students are asking, that will UKMLA be difficult or harder than PLAB? So this is very early and it is a very subjective question first of all. So something which is very easy for someone can be very difficult for someone. But as per some of the websites of the official websites where we have read this, they say that you will not have to study anything beyond your syllabus of MBBS. So if you are a good student, you are focused on your clinicals and you are focused on your MBBS studies, this should not be a very difficult examination for you. But again, all the newses which are passed to you, you should take it with a pinch of salt. Like I said, this is a very subjective question. Something which is very difficult for someone can be very easy for someone. So, and again, until they have one of the rounds of this examination, it will be too early for us to comment on this. But if you have covered your MBBS syllabus, if you have done your MBBS thoroughly and you've revised your syllabus, so this should not be a very difficult examination. Another question is, what is the cost which the student should expect when they are sitting for UKMLA? Right now, the GMC has not declared any examination costs, but the expected cost would be somewhere around, for first round is the AK, applied knowledge. You should take in consideration an amount of about 1000 to 1100 euros, and the official declaration is made, and once the examination starts, so we will have a better clarity about it. The main question is, when is UKMLA going to come into focus? When is it going to start? Due to start in 2023, but it has been postponed, or you can say it has been delayed for 1 year. So now it will be starting from 2024. So any student who's passing in 2024-2025 batch in London will be giving this exam. Any student who is passing in 2023-2024 batch from overseas will be giving this exam. 2024 is the official time when this exam is going to start and come into picture. Another question which a lot of students are asking us, what is the advantage of UKMLA? So UKMLA is giving you an advantage where the government of United Kingdom wanted to test everyone on a single platform. So you are from India, you've done your MBBS from India, you've done your MBBS from London, which is the United Kingdom, you've done your MBBS from a college in Europe. They are bringing all these students on the same platform, and they are going to test your knowledge. So there was a bit of a confusion which a lot of doctors used to face, because when you're an international doctor, so they say that maybe they have not been tested at the same level where a United Kingdom student was tested. So they are taking all of this out of the picture, and they are going to test everyone on the same platform with the 2 examinations. Even if you're doing your MBBS from UK, you still have to give this examination. So this is going to be the same pattern which the India is also following when it comes to, instead of NEET PG, you will be giving next examination. I hope I covered all the questions. If you have any other queries, please email to us. Don't forget to hit the subscribe icon. Thank you.